Okay, so the first thing we have to do is we need to figure out the lowest common denominator. So what two things are going to go into my lowest common denominator?
A and 1.
So we have A, and so that takes care of this A. What's the other thing that we have?
A plus 1.
A plus 1. Okay, so that's our least common denominator. So the strategy here is I'm going to rewrite this problem, but I'm going to provide a little extra space so I can do my multiplication.
You just multiply that times A plus 1, you just multiply that times A. Oh.
Yeah, so we have A plus 1 over A, leave a space, minus A over A plus 1. All right, so what are we going to multiply the first fraction by to get my least common denominator?
A plus 1.
A plus 1. What are we going to multiply the second fraction by?
A.
And so we end up with, when we multiply this out, so what's A plus 1 times A plus 1?
A squared plus 2A plus 1.
There you go. And I'm only going to write the numerators because I know what the denominator is going to be. What is my second fraction?
A squared.
A squared. So we have minus A squared.
Oh, so those A squareds just cancel out.
That's right, yeah.
A plus 1 over.
So we have 2A plus 1 over A times A plus 1. And so I don't think there's anything we can cancel out there because
Everything's chunked.
yep, everything's chunked and we have nothing that is the same.
Yay! Okay.
And oh look, that's the answer in the book.
Wait, can I check my answers for 42?
Yeah, they're right here. All right, do you guys want to try the next one? Did anyone get that right?
I didn't do it.
Oh no, I did my thing away.
Why'd you do that?
42.
It's in there.
Well, take it out.
Where are the
But
answers for
Ashlyn helped
42?
me, so I didn't really solve it.
All right. Okay, so
Okay, I got 42 right.
do you guys want to go over 42 or do you want to go on to something else?
I did not get that right.
Lainey, which one do you want to do next?
Let's do 42.
One, 42. Can you read it out loud to me?
Yeah. 2y over y squared minus 25
Minus 5?
minus 25.
Okay.
And then minus y over y, or minus y over y minus y minus y. Yeah.
Okay. All right, so first step is always the same. We need to factor anything that is factorable. So what is factorable?
Y.
Okay, so what is y squared minus 25 in factored form?
Y plus 5 and then y minus 25.
All right, and this is really convenient because look, we have y minus 5
Oh,
in
it should
both.
be 3y plus y squared.
So then you just have to multiply y minus 5 by y plus.
Yeah, so we're just multiplying the second one, okay. Okay, and what are we, and you said it, can you say it one more time?
Multiply y by y plus 5.
Bless you. All right. So again, I'm only going to look at the numerators because I know what the denominator is going to end up with. So we still have 2y. We still have our minus. Y times y is
Y squared.
y squared. Y times 5 is 5y. And so now we need to factor this, or let's combine similar terms. What is 2y plus 5y? 7y, right? So this is equal to 7y minus y squared. All right. So what goes into 7y and y squared? I'm sorry, say it one more time.
Y.
Y. Yeah, it does. It does. It does. Hold on a second. Come on in, Matthew.
That's where I started. I wanted to go back to. Yeah.
Alright, so Lainey, you noticed a mistake. What was the mistake I made?
Distribute the line subtraction to the 5y.
Okay, so this is a this is a negative y, so negative y times 5 is negative 5y. Alright, thanks for catching that for me. So what's 2y minus 5y?
Negative 3y.
Negative 3y. Alright, so what goes into both negative 3y and negative y squared? Y. But you know what, just to make life fun, I'm going to factor out a negative y. So we get y minus 3, and then we still have our least common denominator, which is y plus 5 times y minus 5.